The final countdown for Bitcoin ETF approval has begun. MicroStrategy adds more BTC to its stack. And what were the biggest crypto stories of last year? These stories and more this week in crypto. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in crypto. Over 28,000 bitcoins valued at $1.2 billion exited centralized exchanges on Thursday, marking the largest daily outflow since December of 2022. As investors express their preference for holding their own coins for the long term, the result is the lowest Bitcoin balance on exchanges since April of 2018. Altcoin rankings shuffled a bit as Solana's SOL stumbled while BNB surged by 15%, reclaiming crypto's fourth spot for total market cap. MicroStrategy announced that it acquired over 14,000 BTC at an average price of $42,000 in December. Their stock price surged 8% on the announcement of the $600 million purchase, and in 2023 its stock soared 350%. The strategy to bolster reserves with Bitcoin has strengthened the stock's appeal, given the closely correlated price movement with Bitcoins. In seeking approval for Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock and Valkyrie have disclosed their authorized participants, or APs. ETF issuers are not allowed to purchase Bitcoin themselves, so APs obtain and manage the underlying assets in order to create and redeem ETF shares on their behalf. BlackRock will partner with JP Morgan and Jane Street, while Valkyrie also named Jane Street as one of its APs, along with Cantor Fitzgerald. While experts expect the SEC to approve all spot Bitcoin ETFs as early as this month, according to data provider CryptoQuant, Bitcoin is expected to correct next month following the potential approval in a Sell the News event. Meanwhile, a former SEC official, John Reed Stark, criticized spot Bitcoin ETFs as potential fee-driven Wall Street scams, deeming the concept simply laughable. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest is exercising caution before the SEC decision on Bitcoin ETFs, selling $81 million worth of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares due to conversion uncertainty and $27 million worth of Coinbase shares. At the same time, ARK bought ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF shares, investing in Bitcoin futures to the tune of $92 million. India's Financial Intelligence Unit has targeted 9 major crypto exchanges, deeming them as operating illegally and as non-compliant with anti-money laundering laws. Aligning with India's efforts to integrate crypto into traditional finance, the regulator mandated KYC collection for crypto firms back in March. Binance, Kraken, and Huobi are among the exchanges facing URL blocking in India should they fail to comply. Elon Musk pointed out problems with regular NFTs and implied support for Bitcoin-based inscriptions. Musk criticized regular NFTs in that they might lose content because of how the data is stored, and suggested encoding the images directly on the blockchain to keep them safe. He noted that unlike regular NFTs, Bitcoin-based inscriptions are securely saved on the blockchain. Fortune has gathered the biggest crypto stories of 2023 in what it describes as a bounce-back year for crypto. Spot Bitcoin ETF applications and new Bitcoin inscriptions have been the major talk over the second half of the year, while the industry also saw conclusions to scandals, including Do Kwon and the Terra debacle, FTX and its founder Sam Bankman-Fried, and the resignation of Changpeng Zhao with Binance's settlement with the SEC. That's what's happened this week in crypto. See you next week. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.